Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I'm going to explain about a powerful feature in Python called unpacking. Let's get into the demo. So what I'm going to do is, like, I just already created a file with name unpacking with extension py. That I define a variable for tuple. For example, I name it called coordinates. Coordinates equal to as a tuple, right? So I need to define with parentheses like 1, 2, 3. These are like kind of coordinates like x, y, z. Now what I want to do is, like, I want to get this value and use them in a few expressions, like in a few some complex expression in our program. Maybe I want to include them in a large complex formula. So how we will write the program is like coordinates of 0 into coordinates of 1 and into coordinates of 2. If you are doing like this, means suppose if a tuple is getting more longer, means it will be a bit too long. This is just a very simple program, but let's say if you want to use this value in a quite few places in our program, what we will do is, like, a better approach to get this value and store them is, like, we'll use some separate variable. For example, how we'll do is, like, we'll be using like x equal to coordinates of 0 and y equal to coordinates of 1, and then z equal to coordinates of 2. And similarly, what we will do is, like, we will be doing x into y into z. What we'll do is, like, we'll be doing like this. We'll define our variable over here. But here there is nothing new so far. But in Python we have a powerful feature called unpacking, and with this we can achieve the same result with this less code. So what we can do is, like, we can define our variable like x comma y comma z equal to coordinates. That's it. What I'm doing is, like, I'm just typing this variable of x comma y comma z. What we have in this line is exactly identical to this above line. So this is the shorthand to achieve the same result. Let me explain how this code works. When Python interpreter sees this statement, means it will get the first item, like the 1 from the tuple, and assign it to the variable x. And similarly, it will take the second item from the tuple, like 2, and assign it to y, and similarly so on. So what I am doing is, like, I'm just removing this code. I'm trying to execute this piece of code again. Let's see, it is getting over here. And what I can say is, like, similarly, it's a kind of an array destructure, we can say, in the JavaScript module. So by this way we can write this code in a shorter format, and this is called unpacking. And moreover, this is not limited to tuples alone. We can use this feature for list also. For example, I'm changing this parenthesis to square brackets, and over here, and I'm trying to run this again. Let's see here the same is getting added over here. So this is what we call as unpacking, a powerful feature in Python. If you have any doubts on implementing this unpacking in your application, just add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.